Here we're introducing you our popular tin candles in 2023. And here you can see our tin candles. For the designs on the tin, if your quantity is big, like 5,000 or 10,000 pieces, you can customize your printing on the whole tin jar. And if your quantity is small, you can order from our existing styles. We have multi designs for your selection. We can send you the list, or we can send you the graphics for your selection. Here you can see the candles have a very nice tassels. This is very Chinese style, and you can also change with your culture, for your country, for the different market people's the preference. And here is just for an example. There's a tassels here, and also you can put a hand tag here with your with your price, with the logo. Now let me open it, show you what it is inside. As you can see, the wax inside is soil wax. It is pure white, and we have the crystals, and we also have the dry flowers. This is very popular in 2023, and also we believe it will also sell in 2023. And here you can see the candle burning is very steady, and I can smell the fragrance is very nice. If you are interested in these two candles, welcome to contact us for more information. We are waiting here to service for you.